Want to know the secret to glowing skin? Ever heard about Ayurvedic skincare routine? Today, we're introducing you to the world of Ayurvedic skincare, a practice steeped in ancient wisdom. Ayurveda, born thousands of years ago, takes a holistic approach to health and beauty, emphasizing balance within the body. It focuses on three doshas or energies. Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and their harmony is key for optimal skin health. The beauty of Ayurveda lies in its use of natural ingredients. Stay with us as we delve into the step-by-step guide of Ayurvedic skincare routine. A glowing skin starts from within. Diet and sleep are the building blocks of great skin. A well-rounded meal, abundant in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, fuels your body with the nutrients it needs. Tailoring your diet to pacify your dominant dosha can truly work wonders. But let's not forget the star of the show, sleep. A good night's rest is the ultimate skin rejuvenator, giving your skin the time it needs to repair and regenerate. Remember, beauty sleep isn't a myth. It's an Ayurvedic prescription. Yoga and meditation, the Ayurvedic way to radiant skin. Wondering how? These ancient practices enhance blood circulation, promoting a healthy glow. Specific yoga poses stretch and stimulate the skin, encouraging detoxification. Deep, mindful breathing in meditation sends oxygen coursing through your veins, purifying your system from within. This combination of physical and mental wellness reflects on your skin, making it clear and luminous. So, don't underestimate the power of a good yoga session. It's the Ayurvedic secret to radiant skin. Ready to go topical? Let's talk about Ayurvedic face masks and sun protection. Ayurvedic masks, concocted with natural ingredients like turmeric, sandalwood, and neem, are potent skin allies. They cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish, revealing a radiant complexion. Ayurveda's sun protection approach is holistic. Natural sunscreens made from ingredients like aloe vera and coconut oil shield the skin, while protective clothing provides an additional layer of defense. Remember, in Ayurveda, skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's a lifestyle. A journey to glowing skin doesn't have to be complex. Ayurvedic skincare is about harmony, balancing your diet, getting the right amount of sleep, and practicing yoga and meditation. It's about using nature's own skincare products like Ayurvedic face masks and sun protection. It's a holistic approach, one that considers the whole person, not just the skin. Embrace the Ayurvedic lifestyle and let your skin reflect your inner health and beauty. Because the secret to glowing skin is not a secret, it's Ayurveda.